Have you ever tried to heal a broken heart by jumping straight into another relationship? Or by keeping yourself constantly busy just so you wouldn't have to feel the pain? It's human. None of us want to suffer. But there's a quieter, often overlooked path to healing, one that can transform your pain into strength. Spending time alone. At first, being alone can feel scary. The silence feels loud. The days stretch out endlessly, and the absence of the other person hurts deeply. But in that silence, something powerful can begin to happen if you're willing to listen. Because when you're alone, you don't have to pretend. You get to be fully honest with yourself. You can finally ask the real questions. What really hurt me? What do I truly want in love and in life? Who am I outside of this relationship? Being alone doesn't mean being abandoned. It means choosing to reconnect with yourself. It means giving yourself space to breathe, to reflect, and to rediscover parts of you that may have been lost or silenced. Many people avoid solitude because it feels empty. But choosing to be alone, especially after heartbreak, is one of the most courageous things you can do. It's saying, I matter enough to heal on my own terms. During this time, yes, you'll cry, you'll question everything. You'll miss them. You'll miss the habits, the good times, the us. But slowly, you'll also start to smile on your own. You'll start doing things just for you. And you'll begin to realize you never needed someone to complete you. You were already whole, just hurting. Spending time alone allows you to grow. It teaches you to listen to your intuition, to understand your emotional patterns, to build a stronger sense of self, one that won't settle for less than what you deserve. So when you're ready to love again, it won't be to fill a void. It will be to share your life, not escape it. If your heart is hurting right now, I want you to know, you don't need to rush. You don't need to distract yourself to survive. Take this time. Let yourself sit with the pain. Let it speak to you. This time alone isn't a pause in your life. It's the beginning of something deeper, a new relationship with yourself. So ask yourself today, what does my heart truly need to heal? And am I willing to give it to myself before anyone else? If this message spoke to you, leave a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And let me know in the comments, what are you learning about yourself during your alone time? And remember, healing doesn't always happen in noise or in company. Sometimes it begins in silence, when it's just you, your heart, and the courage to begin again.